to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is an Hermès scarf that I just bought, but here it is. This is a scarf that I have been eyeing for a while. It came out, I believe, last year, and it is called, let's see, you ready? Here we go. Oh my God, look at this face. I love the way this looks. Okay. I'm making this video because sometimes you fall in love with a design immediately, and other times it takes a little while. When I first saw this, I hated it. I thought it looked like a bunch of snakes in a pit. But more I thought about this scarf, I saw possibilities of a very neutral, a scarf that I could wear with a lot of my outfits. Okay, so this is called Lazy Leopardess's scarf in 90 centimeters, and this particular colorway is Vert Noir, Gris, and Anthracite, and it is this very dark forest green color bordering the gray leopards with black spots. And according to their website, the story behind this is that often known as a panther, leopards are often known as a panther in popular culture. The leopard has always embodied poise and royalty. This endangered species is now subject to a hunting ban in most countries where it is known to occur. This design was done by Arlette S., who won 3rd place in the Grand Prix du Carré Hermès, launched internationally in 2019. And she chose to depict the felines resting and enjoying a well-deserved nap. So if you look at this scarf, and I will put a picture of what it looks like as a whole scarf from the website into this video, but oh my goodness, look at this face. Look at that face. And then there's this face, so regal. And this is a part that I love. Look at that face with blue eyes, with pink little nose, and this little leopardess doesn't have the tongue sticking out. And Hermès Paris, and I think, is that it? There's another leopardess with the blue eyes, the piercing blue eyes. I just love it. It comes in several colorways. I was looking at this one, and the other one I was looking at was camel edging. I went to Arlette Ness's Facebook page. In her Facebook page, she said, "When I draw animals, I pay special attention to their faces to let a personality emerge, and imagine them to be people's trusted companions or secret guardians." So you could just imagine secret guardian. I would love a secret guardian. Look at that. So they're a little bit different. Look at this little leopardess has her little tongue sticking out. So the reason I wanted to do this video was because not only is this gorgeous, and I wanted to share this new design with you, but also because, actually, when I first saw this scarf on the website, I was like, ooh, it's nice, but because to me, it looked like a bunch of snakes in a pit. Again, when I looked at it, I wasn't absolutely in love with it. Like my other scarf that I bought in Hawaii, I saw it and I fell immediately in love. And then when I thought about how it could look with it sort of like this, right? It's very neutral. It's gray, silverish color, black with dark green. I felt like maybe I can wear this with a lot of different kind of outfits. Depending on how you fold it, you can get sort of a different colorway. This one isn't so much because most of this is all one colorway, which is what I wanted for neutral, and I'm not very good at matching colors, so here it is. And in the front, when you hang this around your neck, you're gonna get this beautiful leopardess face showing. You could do that, or depending on how you fold it, that's the thing about Hermès scarf, is depending on how you fold it, you can have different prints showing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give this a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification so that you'd be notified every time I upload more videos. All right, guys, have a nice day. Bye.